Hi, my name is Aubrey Dillon and my partner is Chidambra Amnachiapan, and we will be teaching you how to make the negative air pressure gun. So start off the materials that you'll be needing. You'll need one Schedule 40 1.5 inch PVC pipe, and you're going to want to cut this down to 4.5 feet. Make sure you sand off these ends to ensure that it's completely airtight. Next, you'll be needing one hose barb, which is 1/4 inch by 1/8 inch NPT. Next, you'll be needing a 1.5 inch coupler, two 1.5 inch, 1.5 inch plywood squares with a 2-inch hole in the middle, 8 spring clamps to ensure that the seals are tight, a vacuum pump to create the vacuum, and plenty of aluminum foil. Alright, and to beginning, you make a 3/8 inch hole at this end of the pipe and install the hose barb. Make sure you put plenty of sealant to ensure that it's completely airtight. Next, to construct the seals, what you need to do is take your 2 pieces of wood, take a piece of aluminum foil, place it in between, and clamp the edges as like this. For the other side, what you'll be using is a coupler and 2 pieces of aluminum foil. So you're gonna place the aluminum foil on this and then place a coupler over it to ensure that there's a perfect seal. Alright, you can end it.
Alright guys, so this is how the vacuum works. So you have this end, and this pipe will be attached to the hose barb. Okay, and when we turn on the vacuum, both sides will be sealed, okay, so there will be no air inside this PVC pipe, okay? And then the pressure will build up inside as the air is being taken out of it, so that as the pressure increases, you'll see this side make like a slight indentation. That's when you know you have to step back because it's gonna make a loud popping sound. When it pops, all the air will rush through and it will push whatever object you have, in this case a ball. You'll push this ball all the way out and into this side.
Action.
Okay, so Chidu explained the gas laws portion of why this negative air pressure gun works. I'll be explaining the equilibrium part of it. So initially, the pressure inside of the pipe is at equilibrium with the atmospheric pressure. But when we seal both ends and suck all the air out, equilibrium is disturbed. And according to Le Chatelier's principle, a shift must occur in order to restore equilibrium. And in this case, air rushes in order to restore the equilibrium that it had with the atmospheric pressure. And in doing so, the close to zero pressure in here goes to full atmospheric pressure. And that's how pressure rises inside of here to push the ball out. And a word of caution when you're shooting this, make sure you're wearing ear protection, because this does make a very loud noise and it will hurt your eardrum and quite possibly rupture it. And if you're making this at home, make sure you have a parent with you at all times.
Got it.
Here's a demonstration of our negative air pressure gun. Cover your ears. Ready?
Yeah.